All right, guys, you want to talk about a breakfast of champions? Right here, my friends. We're going to break this down. We're going to talk about exactly what you're getting in this. This is going to fuel you up, make you feel fantastic all day long, give you some serious muscle gains, give you energy through the roof, and it's going to taste awesome. All right, so let's get into how to make these incredible oats. All right, guys, so what goes into this Olympic breakfast, the breakfast of champions? Well, good old-fashioned oats. Good old-fashioned oats has been what has been fueling Olympic athletes for years and years and years. I've taken their lead and I've been eating oats for years, literally years. I've been vegan for 28 years. This has been one of my staples. Love it. Dress it up in all kinds of different ways. Now, why do I choose whole old-fashioned oats? Because they're minimally processed. They're hearty, tasty, and very versatile when it comes to the flavor when you pick it up. So I also prefer to soak the oats instead of cooking them. I like the fiber content staying intact as opposed to breaking it down through the heat. Also, big bonus, this is a mason jar, 4 cups worth, and in it you'll get 2 servings based on what I'm going to show you how I make. This is incredible because you just pull it out of the fridge in the morning whenever you're having your breakfast. I have my breakfast after I work out after a fast of about 12 hours, something like that. So take it out, scoop out your portion, throw it in a bowl, dress it up however you like. I'm going to show you my favorite way of dressing it up, and that'll be after we make these oats, right? So let's get to making them. All right, so what we have here, like I said, mason jar, rolled oats, as this is 3 cups of rolled oats approximately. Now, when it comes to getting these things in, I usually just pour it right out of the bag so I don't make this mess. And I know it doesn't look professional in any way, shape, or form, but let's just go with it. I'll clean up the mess after, don't worry about it. So anyway, so the goal is get the oats in first. As I said, mess, you didn't see that, it's all good. So, first ingredient on top of this to start soaking is, this is apple cider. Organic if you can get it. Again, if you can't, it's totally fine. But I like apple cider as opposed to apple juice, just because there's a little bit more nutrients left in it, all right? So we just get that poured in, and this is equivalent to 1 cup. That adds a ton of flavor. You can actually put more if you choose. This is one of those things, you gotta experiment with this stuff, guys. So it's your own preference, your own liking and everything. Now, I guarantee I'm gonna spill this. What this is soy milk, okay? Another 1 cup, and I hope I don't spill it. Ready? Okay. So, 1 cup of apple cider, 1 cup soy milk, and then for sweetness, we got maple syrup. Now equivalent to 1, 2, 3. I like it a little bit sweeter, so let's go with 4. And then you just simply mix this all up. Try to get it all in there, right? Because it will soak down, but you want the flavors of the milk, the apple cider, and the maple syrup to evenly spread out throughout the cup. Okay, guys, so pretty straightforward. Get right down in there. You can see it's pretty leveled out. I didn't mix it up enough. I'm not gonna waste your time. So that's what I do with my overnight oats. Tap it, throw it in the fridge. This will actually be easier to eat if you wanted to eat it right now, you have to have some strong teeth because it's still tough. But if you let it soak for a couple hours, you can actually eat it then, but that's why they call it overnight oats. Good 12 hours in the fridge, softens up, perfect texture. Okay, guys? All right then, this is it. Soaked oats. Told you it was easy. Doesn't take long at all, especially if you prep it like on a Sunday night. So you have soaked oats, ready to go in the fridge for the whole week. No fuss, no muss. And then you get to dress it up however you want. You can play around with it. The reason I don't add things to it other than the basics for the soaked oats is because you might get a little bored after having one set type of oatmeal each day. So you can change it up. But I'm going to show you how I dress mine up almost all the time. Let's do it next. All right, guys. All right, so now here comes the fun part. This is where you get to dress up your oats the way you like, the way it makes you happy to get up in the morning. I know personally when I'm at the gym, it's like this reward I get for a job well done, training my ass off. So I know I have my oats waiting for me when I get home. Now, I'm going to show you my way, which is apple with a whole bunch of extra bonuses, and let's get into it. This is the simplest way to make your oats totally power-packed. So what I'm making is an apple, cranberry, sunflower seed, flax seed, soaked overnight oats. Now, the overnight oat part is already done. I pre-created these the other night, so these are ready to go. And as I mentioned, this is less than what I showed you, so I'll show you the portion. Oh, by the way, I thought this was going to be fun. This is a 4-cup measuring cup. This is the bowl I use every day for everything I eat, and I believe it's equivalent to 4 cups, but I wanted to see and just check it for myself what it's got in there. So put in about that much. So the actual oats themselves, I think that's about right. So little apple drone coming along. These are just raw sunflower seeds. That is a 1/2 cup. Dried cranberries. This is a 1/2 cup. This is ground flaxseed. Now, there's so much good stuff in this. I can't wait to tell you about that. Then I already cut up some apple. Now these apples, this apple here, this is called Pink Lady. I love these apples because all year long, they tend to be crispy, hearty, super flavorful, and they're almost always available, at least here in Canada. So if you can get your hands on these, definitely go with them. If you can't, Granny Smith, you know the green apples? Those are also just as good. So you just mix this all up. So I'm right. I eat about 4 cups. This is about my breakfast right here. I wouldn't eat out of this thing. So you can add a little bit more, either apple cider or milk to this if this is too thick for you and too dry. But I actually tend to do that too. So anyways, I want to just do an experiment. Let's throw that in there. I'll let you know if this is exactly how much I eat. Yes, sir. That's me. 4 cups. So that's my overnight oats. And this is so delicious. You're going to love it, okay? All right, guys. So there you have it. This is the bomb. This is the breakfast of champions. This is one thing you want to give it a try. So I want to break down what exactly is in here in regards to the nutrients through Chronometer, and so you can see why it gives you the biggest bang for your buck when it comes to the perfect breakfast. All right, so just look at these numbers, guys. These are amazing. All the protein, carbohydrates, starches, everything you would ever need are in here. There's no cholesterol. You've got every macronutrient, micronutrient. It's included within this bowl of incredible oats. There, as I said, no cholesterol, no saturated fat. If there is, it's minimal. You even got all your B12 vitamins covered. Everything you need is in this bowl. It's going to do everything you want to optimize your life. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you try these oats, and if you do, let us know in the comments how you've dressed up your oats to make them taste incredible, just like these. And as always, guys, hop on over to broprovegans.com, join the community of other like-minded guys, and let's make amazing things happen. Talk to you in the next video. Cheers.